Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, you might have noticed that the last 24 hours have been a little interesting, as there is a lot of split in terms of what people believe is going to happen to the crypto market. Bitcoin was able to reclaim 92,000, now sitting close to 92.6, but most of the altcoins are in a consolidation phase. This is going to happen. Why? Because there's a lot of people who are in fear, who are going to be selling in terms of panic selling. And secondly, there is a lot of whales which are trying to buy up this dip. If we are able to stay in this consolidation phase, over time there will come a point where the market will be able to make a decision in terms of what direction to take. But the Bitcoin trading volume is still holding strong, close to 90 billion, and same with Dogecoin as it's trying to catch up to XRP. There are some whales, as you can see, which are buying up this dip as much as they can. There is a rumor that payments on X will include Dogecoin and Tesla. Dogecoin is the best performing cryptocurrency in 2024, and this was posted in a Romanian language. And Justin Sun joins Trump's World Liberty Financier as the advisor after investing $30 million. Now, there's a lot to cover today. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin. You want the greatest and the latest information as quickly as possible. Make sure you go down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to buy into it. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, and the market will keep climbing. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first thing, I want to show you guys the way that Doge is performing. Now, you can see that after the big splash, you can say, in terms of price, it's trying to find a bottom. It's trying to definitely get into a consolidation phase before it's able to go more explosive. But what is really good about the price is right now the consolidation phase is actually very close to 39 cents, which is much better. If it did decide to consolidate close to 37, there was a bigger chance that we might break the support at 37 and even 35 and fall down more. Right now, the price that we're consolidating at, there is a very huge chance that after this consolidation, there might be a recovery. With a lower consolidation, it's just going to put more fear into those small traders, and they're definitely going to be taking or stepping away from the market. Just to give you input in terms of the open interest, it's down 9%, but it's definitely climbed from morning when there was a lot of panic, 2.5 billion to 2.7 billion, and the long to the short ratio, it's still holding really strong in terms of the long traders, close to 75% still. Now, that should give you perspective. So there is a lot of traders which are in favor of long because this consolidation phase, if it was lower, there's a very high chance a lot of people will take the loss or hit that stop loss. Now, another thing is, if you pay attention to the way that the market is pushing forward, right now, for the Dogecoin price to stay in the healthy phase, it needs to make sure that it's able to just climb back to 42 cents. Soon as it's able to do that, there is a lot more potential for the price to keep climbing. But again, it will be very, very heavily dependent on how Bitcoin is going to react to all of this news. If you talk about Bitcoin on the other end, it did actually fall down, nearly retesting close to 90K. Now, that was the scary point, but seeing the market actually climb back up and now consolidating close to 92K, there will be a little bit of optimism that will come back. But this helped the greed actually come back a little bit towards the center. So this gives more room for the whole crypto market to climb even higher. Now, this rumor has been going around very, very heavily when it comes to how it's reacted on Twitter. More and more people are talking about how X will include Dogecoin. This is a rumor, but you need to understand two things can happen. Rumors usually build up, it's going to build up the price. When the news drops, it's going to be a sell event. Now, how is this going to be reacting? That will be wait and watch type of situation. I mean, Bitcoin is definitely reacting in a good way. But when it comes to Dogecoin, it actually reacted in a better way as soon as X payments was announced in some sort of way. Now, Dogecoin is the best performing crypto. This was posted by a different language, and the way that they have shown Dogecoin, it's a really good way of endorsing Dogecoin to more wider audience. That's the right word to use. Now, Justin Sun, the Tron founder, if you guys do not know him, he has a lot of money and he's very well known in the cryptocurrency market. Justin's son welcomes a new role at Trump-backed DeFi project World Liberty Financial. Now, why is this a big deal? Because he actually invested close to $30 million to get this role, and the project said it would benefit from son's crypto insights and experience. The development came after Justin's son affiliated cryptocurrency company invested millions of dollars into the project. Now, this is huge because if Justin is able to work with Trump and actually get something working on the back end, this could definitely change the whole trajectory in terms of how the crypto market is going to react soon as Trump gets into the office. This will be a very positive impact. Another whale which I have been paying attention to is this one. You can see that in the last 24 hours, they have purchased close to $1 million worth of Doge at the price of 43 cents. But ever since the price has crossed the 40 cents and fallen below, a lot of people have come to a standstill trying to figure out what is going to happen and if they should buy or sell. Now, Doge is going to $4.20 this cycle. I mean, this was posted by Elon. I still can't believe Doge is real, but I actually think this would work. If it does work and more people are talking about it, Dogecoin price is definitely going to be impacted in a good way. Another thing which a lot of you guys don't understand is the fact that Doge is already performing so good without Elon Musk's influence. If, let's say, Doge, like Department of Government Efficiency, works out to be good, and in the future they want to incorporate, let's say, crypto into it, most likely they're going to be relying on Dogecoin, and that's going to be a big deal. Now, Rumble, I mentioned yesterday how they're trying to buy some Bitcoin, which is a company similar to YouTube. Their investment announcement is close to $20 million into Bitcoin. That's a lot of money. Now, Vitalik, if you guys do not know, he is the CEO or founder of Ethereum, or the brain behind Ethereum, sold his meme coin holding. But why? Well, right now you can say that Vitalik is just trying to take a little bit of profit and move away from it, but you can tell that meme coins, he is a little fearful in terms of how meme coins have been reacting in the past, you can say, week, especially since Dogecoin and Bitcoin started going towards the downside. Dogecoin's path to $1 faces a challenge, and Bitcoin weakness and declining market interest is definitely going to be a huge factor in seeing if Doge is able to climb to $1. I do think that it's going to happen for sure, but it's just a matter of time in terms of how people are going to be wanting, or how people want to buy the dip and how they want to react the price to a higher number. And Kramer doubles down on the Bitcoin pushes back against the criticism he called the top. Now, I got a bunch of yahoos saying I called the top by recommending it, and it's a little bit funny, but it's always how it's reacted. But it's definitely not his fault. He's just trying to be nice and say crypto is doing well. I mean, it's interesting, but right now we do have a long way to go, and this could be a healthy profit-taking time for you to load up your bags. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.